Good afternoon, guys. So it's me again here at Ohana Farm. This is Romel. It's raining today. We had the parking area filled up with dirt. As you can see, it's kind of like a light brown over there. There's no backhoe, so we just drop all the dirt over there. We're gonna push that tomorrow. Mano mano. So yeah, it's kind of tough. I can't find a backhoe anywhere or a bulldozer. But it's raining today, so it's really nice. Got a lot of water on the rice field. As you can see, some of the rice having rice already. It's nice to see it like that. It's very healthy. We haven't sprayed the protection for the worms yet, so we're probably gonna do that tomorrow if the sun shines. But it's been raining since morning today, so that's good in a way, because it's been really hot here. It's been pretty dry. The dirt, actually, the rice fields, the dirt's cracking. So this time it really helps a lot. This rain really helps a lot. But everything looks good. The flowers, the rice, as you can see, some of them are doing better than the other. They said that it's always been like that. But in about another month or so, then all of them will be blooming. I'm going to have more chicken coming in either today or tomorrow. I get Rhode Island Red and also the black Australorps. Those are heritage chicken. They grow to about between 5 to 7 kilos each, and they lay eggs every day. They're brown eggs. It's going to be organic, so I'm going to feed those chicken organic feeds only, and then breeding them as well. So once I get a bunch of them, then start selling some more, selling some chicks and eggs also. It's really fun, and it's really rewarding seeing all these, for me anyway, seeing all these rice and the chicken and the vegetables and the coconut crops. We got a bunch of santol. We got I'm building a bigger fish pond starting Monday, so I can start getting some fingerlings, African hito, and also tilapia is what my plan is. So I'm building 2 fish ponds. But it's a lot of work, very busy. It's very busy here every day. Hopefully tomorrow I can find a backhoe or a bulldozer to work on that parking area, so I can start parking my cars there, and the truck, and the canter, and the motorcycle. I'm not doing the road yet, because it's gonna be until after this is harvested, the rice harvested. So wish me luck, and thanks again for watching my videos. I really appreciate them, and any suggestions, I'll be happy to hear them from you guys. All right, later. Thanks again. Ciao.